Hey there, fellow foodies. Welcome back to our channel, where we love to share delicious recipes and cooking tips with you. Today, we're going to whip up a scrumptious dish that's perfect for a cozy dinner: calaloo with saltfish. Calaloo is usually picked fresh from the farm, market, or backyard in Jamaica. Here in the USA, we use canned calaloo. Now, let's get started. First, I sliced the tomatoes and onions. If you have a Scotch bonnet, feel free to add it for an extra kick of flavor. I sautéed the tomatoes and onions in garlic butter, giving them a nice, golden color. Then, added the boiled saltfish. I boiled the saltfish twice to ensure it's nice and tender. Calaloo is known for its rich source of iron, making it a great addition to this dish. It's a green leafy vegetable that I added after the saltfish. And there you have it, folks. A mouth-watering calaloo with saltfish dish that's perfect for a cozy dinner with your loved ones. We hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.